Hello, my name is Milton. I am a student at PMCC. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the system of equations, and so we can find the x and y coordinates. So the rule to solve the system of equations is by doing the addition. And in this example, what we're going to do is we're going to cancel the xy substitution by addition, and we're going to solve for y. So the common denominator of the 2x and 3x is 6. That way I can cancel x since it has a negative side on the bottom. So I'm going to have to multiply by 3 on top and by 2 on the bottom. So let's do that. So now remember, if you multiply this 3 by the first term, you have to multiply by all the terms in the equation, not just by the first term. So 3 times 2 is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9y, and 3 times 8 is equals 24. Same thing on the bottom. You have to multiply by all the terms. 2 times 3 is minus 6x. 2 times 5 is 10y. And 2 times 7 is 14. So now we can solve for y by canceling x by subtraction. Okay, so 6x minus 6x is just 0. 9y plus 10y is 19. And 24 plus 14 is 38. So now solving for y, 19 is multiplying by y. So we have to do the opposite, solve for y. So we should do the division. So 19 divided by 19 is just 1. And so since we do it on one side, we have to do it in the other side. So 38 divided by 19 is 2. So we're left with y equals 2. So now that we found the value of y, we can solve for x. And we can pick any equations to solve for x. So I'm going to pick the equation on top because it's easier to do substitution and it has all positive signs. So okay, so let's do that. 2x plus 3 and y is 2, right? So just going to replace that. A is still 8. So solving for x, now 2 times 3 is 6 and equals 8. So now if I subtract the x on one side, I have to subtract the other side. So I'm left with 6x minus 6x is just 0, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So cleaning this up, I'm left with 2. Now solving for x to divide it. So I should divide on both sides. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now I'm left with 1. So I know that x equals 1 now. So now, just to make sure that what we did is right, we can plug in these values in any of the equations and we should get the same constant in the other side. For example, if 8 is in this side, in one side, we should get 8 in the other side. So let's do this just to make sure that what we did is right. So now x, I know that's 1 plus 3, and y is 2 now, equals 8. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times 2 is 6. And as you can see, we get 8 equals 8, so that means what we did is right. So now, to get an idea what we just found is, this is the coordinates where these two equations cross each other. For example, in the xy plane, Okay, let's just do a little drawing. Let's call this line A and this line B. So if line A goes like this and line B goes like that, okay, this is the point where they cross each other. So they call this the coordinates, what we just found. Okay, so that's that way we have an idea what we just, what we're doing. All right, thank you for watching.